This is where we build all of our custom automated machinery. We build all of our machinery in-house, from engineering to programming, fabrication, all under this one roof. Our customers come to us with their unique product and unique need, and we build them a machine for that process. It can be assembly, testing, inspection, it can be fully automated, or it can be semi-auto. The machine behind me is an automated assembly and inspection machine. It assembles 4 different components for a final assembly. We feed them into the system using flexible feeding systems, and we test them using inspection vision systems. Our customer approached us to design and build this machine because they wanted to reduce their labor cost and improve their quality. Typically, we use vibratory bowls for a lot of our machinery here, but in this particular application, we went with flexible feeding systems. That's when you have a robot mounted with a camera, and the camera tells the robot where to pick the products. The robots do a very good job of delicately handling the parts so they don't get damaged. This system has 6 cameras in it. We've incorporated 3 of them for the feeding system, 1 of them for the foil inspection station, and 2 of them for the final inspection station. The backbone of the system is an indexing linear conveyor. We have 2 sets of nests indexing down the line at a time, being populated with components in the assembly. All of the product is inspected at the final inspection station, where all the good product is put into the good bin, and the rejected product goes off the end of the conveyor into the reject bin.